Hello guys, if you want to see me how I do this lovely recipe breakfast egg, please stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to Beyonce Babies TV. If you're new in the house, you're welcome in the family, and I appreciate all my return subscribers. With the love that you've been supporting my channel, I give you all the praise and adoration. I thank you, and I appreciate all your support. In short, I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I do appreciate all your love that you've been putting in this channel. So guys, a big thumb up for that. I love you guys. And before I forget, please, for all my new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe and comment, like, and hit the notification button, so that when I drop a new video, you can see it and you can show some love as usual. You can learn some new things that I'll be uploading in my channel. So you're all welcome in the family. So guys, today's video, what I'll be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a lovely breakfast, especially as Valentine Day is coming. I want to do this video particularly for those that are going to be celebrating that day and again, that I'll be showing you some tips and some nice way how you can surprise your spouse on this day with a lovely breakfast. So guys, watch with me as I'll be doing it step by step. But the ingredients I'll be using my sausage. That is it. That is a chicken sausage. You can use any of the above sausage that you want, but I'll be using this one, and this one is really nice to do it. So just watch with me. I'll be using that is my olive oil. You can use butter if you want as well, and this also to do the magic, and some egg. So guys, just watch with me, stay tuned how I do it, and follow the steps. The first thing I'll be doing is first to make my shape of my bows. What I want to do is get this. I will be showing you how to make a heart with this. So watch and follow. Make sure you cut it in the middle as I'm doing. You see guys, it's open, perfectly open. And to have that lovely shape of a heart, 1 minute please. So guys, to have this lovely shape of a heart, that's how you have to do. Cut it in the middle, and you use this to hold it stand still without getting bad. So as you can see, I've made a lovely shape of a heart. You can use it to surprise your spouse on that big day. I put it there, and the next step I'll be doing is separating my egg. That is the egg white from the yolk. Egg white, I have to like separate it. And the yellow, I put it there. The yellow yolk is there, and the white, I have to put it there. So guys, I've separated all. You can use, I'll be using 3 of the egg white, 3 eggs. You can use it, you can make 2, but since I want it really thick and heavy, I'm using 3. I've separated everything, and that's my egg yolk separated from the white. What I have to do is I have to like mix it up. I'm done. So guys, stay tuned. What next I'll be doing is I have to use the olive oil. I put a little bit of this in my frying pan, and after that, watch with me as I'll be doing it. So guys, as you can see, I have to spread my olive oil in the frying pan. I don't put much. because too much of it is not going to be okay. You can use your butter to also fry it. This is how I do, and then I have to spread my olive oil. Spread it. That is my oil. I leave it for 1 minute to get a little bit warm. Then now what I do is I have to bring in my sausage. That is roast. My sausage is in. And make sure you don't put on your oven in a very high heat. I was using 5, not 6. So I place my sausage in there. And the next thing I'll be doing is I have to pour in my egg white. This I'll be doing. Make sure it wins, spread everywhere. Now I have to put my egg yolk. Since I use 3 of the eggs, I'll not be putting it all. I'll be putting half of it. I don't want it too thick. That's it. So guys, that is a delicious breakfast. If you want some to put some spice, you can use this. Everything is there, but I'll be doing, when you're done, prepare everything and it's ready, you can put some of the spice to spice it up. But since I want it just normal, and so guys, it's ready now. You have to leave it for 3 minutes and everything settles. So it's done. I'm done and it's all ready. So what I have to do is I have to take this out. I already did it to support the sausage not from falling apart. So it's all ready. I hope you enjoy it. Looking yummy. Try this out and you're gonna enjoy it. So lovely and yummy. Love.